Warriors, it's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. It is Friday, the 27th of May, 2021. I am trying out a new mic, so I may sound a little bit lower, or it may sound like I'm yelling, because I have no idea how it's the volume is going to come out after recording it. Let's get into it. Everything pretty much in the top 50, top 60 coins are in the green, except for all the stable coins, of course. And yeah, so there you have it. Congratulations to everyone that's holding heavy bags of their favorite cryptocurrencies at the moment. This video, I'm going to be dedicating it to my homeboy. We had a great conversation today, and just wanted to explain to him why I'm no longer in the stocks, right? I'm no longer in that side of investing. Not saying that there's anything wrong with it, but although the stock market over the past year, right, because of Fed manipulation, is up, what, like over 100%? Okay, like those gains are still minuscule compared to what you could do and gain here in crypto land. All right, so let's get right into it. First of all, I want you guys to take a notice of the crypto market cap. It is $2.19 trillion. All right, so this is something that I've went over before in past videos. I like to show this visualization of all the world's monies and markets. I love showing this visualization. This is from Jeff Desjardins. I definitely butchered that last name. Sorry, Jeff. But he made this visualization over a year ago, back on May 27th of 2020, right after the world seemed like it ended, right? But here we are. Each block represents $100 billion, and this is the silver market back then, and this is the cryptocurrency market back then. There were only 5,400 cryptocurrencies, and the market cap for the whole cryptocurrency market cap, all 10,000 cryptos, all right, well, in this case, all 5,000 cryptos, was $244 billion. Right now, the market cap for cryptocurrency is over 200 trillion. I wish. Over $2 trillion, right? So it's 2.1, and we'll just go like this. Bam, 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 bam. That's billion. You see 21 billion? Nope. One more. 219 billion. $2.19 trillion. And let's divide that by $244 billion. And this is how much the crypto market grew since last May. Since May of 2020. All right? The crypto market grew by, we'll just call it a 9x. Crypto market 9x since then. So just parking your money in Bitcoin at this point in time, because we're in pretty much a bull market right now, you would have 9x'd your money on the low end, okay? On the low end. Not financial advice, of course. Here we are. So this is with the caveat, of course, that this is as of 2020, May 27, 2020. Military spending, right? We have the U.S. budget deficit, fiscal year 2020. We all know that that's blown out the water right now because they continue to print so much monies. The Fed balance sheet, we know this is a lie. Jeff Bezos has doubled his net worth. He's basically at $200 billion right now. Like all these dudes, right? They all doubled their net worth. He's well over $100 billion. This Arnold guy, like all of them, right? Gold market cap is still sitting at around $11, $12 trillion. All right, this is the Fortune 500 companies. And we'll go to the stock market. This is a stock market right now. We'll just call it the same $90 trillion. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will eat all of these, eat the whole stock market. All right? Things are going to be getting tokenized. Things are going to be coming onto the blockchain per se, and you'll be able to trade in and out of stocks that are represented by a token on a particular blockchain. And everything will be tokenized. This is why, again, I say that we are still super early. All right, so even if it's still the $90 trillion that we see it represented by right here, you know, the U.S. stock market, not the world, the whole U.S. stock market here, we have the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, and all other exchanges. It's $90 trillion. Crypto at the time was only $244 billion, and at this moment, it is $2.1 trillion. Still super early when you're considering the fact that we're talking about all of cryptocurrency and 2.1 trillion compared to the traditional stock market. Still super early. We know that it has been inflated since then because of all the money in the world, all the US dollars that are circling right now. Over a third of them was printed within the last 12 months. So everything is being inflated right now. And here you go. This is a great chart right here. Everything will be linked, of course, in the description below, of course, right? And this is the S&P 500, which is the, quote unquote gold standard for stock markets, compared to as measured in Bitcoin. I only have it set to in the last 10 years because Bitcoin was first pretty much invented or released into the wild within the last 10 years. So you could measure it within the last 10 years. You could do it against Bitcoin and gold, Bitcoin and silver, right? Once there it is, same thing, Bitcoin and gold, Bitcoin and silver, the S&P, the Dow Jones Industrial, the NASDAQ, anything you could compare it to, and you see everything is being eaten up by Bitcoin, all right? Everything, when compared to or priced in Bitcoin, is losing its value. This is why I am all in on crypto. This is why I try to advise people or tell them, hey, buying $20 worth of Bitcoin every single week, all right? Forgo that cappuccino, forgo that iced coffee that you may get every single day, all right? And buy $20 worth of Bitcoin whenever you can. Not financial advice, of course, but when I'm talking to my friends one-on-one, that's why I tell them, hey, buy that Bitcoin instead of buying that coffee, okay? Because everything priced in Bitcoin goes down and to the right, not up and to the right, down and to the right, okay? Here it is, 10 years ago, okay, it cost $499 in comparison to Bitcoin. And now, here we are today, it is 0.4 or 0.23, a quarter of a Bitcoin. A quarter of a Bitcoin in comparison to what it was 10 years ago at basically 500 Bitcoins. All right. So again, everything priced in Bitcoin in comparison is going down. It's losing value. The dollar, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial, the NASDAQ, whatever it is, priced in Bitcoin is going to be losing value. So you want to get ahead of the game and start stacking as much Bitcoin or Ethereum, all right, to basically combat that loss, to basically get ahead, all right? So even if it's, when you do it pricing ETH, look at that. It's pretty much the same thing. We are winning because we are here right now in crypto. We are winning because we are the early adopters. When you look at the adoption curve, okay, we're the ones that are the early adopters. So you're not too late. So you could still jump on this bandwagon, so to speak. You could get on board this rocket ship before it goes past the moon. Because everything priced in cryptocurrencies will be gone, will diminish in value over time. And that's what's happening right now with the NASDAQ, with the stock exchange, with gold, with real estate, with everything, because priced in Bitcoin, priced in crypto, they're losing value. Here we are again. This is all the money in the world. M1 money, they changed it. They don't even do M1 or M2 anymore, right? Global debt. Global debt is $253 trillion. Global real estate is $281 trillion, right? Like, what does that even mean? Global wealth is $360 trillion. But we're the early adopters, and they're going to be bringing all of this wealth over into crypto world. Let me know what you guys think. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, to get notified when I upload new videos. And let me know what you guys think when you're trying to convince your friends or explain to them that crypto is the future. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is the future. Getting in on this gravy train, so to speak, now will set you up and set your family up for, a great future financially, if you ask me. You know what I'm saying? But again, it's just my opinion, not financial advice, of course. All right, so let's discuss in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys think. It's Talking Crypto, and I'm out. Peace.